Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Indian and Chinese troops begin disengagement in eastern Ladakh. Union Minister Giriraj Singh visits Eri Silk village to support local weavers. State government to address Harijan colony relocation by November. State government to construct 40 to 50 kilometers of roads in city amid smart city criticism. And Nehu protests, faculty locked down registrar's office over leadership concern. The news in detail. Indian and Chinese troops have commenced disengagement in Depsang and Demchok regions of eastern Ladakh, ending a 4.5-year standoff along the line of actual control. Border patrolling is expected to resume by the end of the month, signaling a return to normalcy. The recent agreement on patrolling arrangements highlighted by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri aims to resolve tensions that began in April 2020. Lieutenant General M.V. Susindra Kumar confirmed that diplomatic discussions have facilitated consensus for both sides to resume traditionally patrolling and grazing in key areas. Giriraj Singh, Union Minister of Rural Development and Textile, visited Eri Silk village in Umden Diwan today, engaging with local weavers, artisans and farmers. Accompanied by Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal Singh, toured the Kiniho and designed innovative research center to observe dyeing and weaving processes at Duya Hall. He discussed support measures with artisans who receive artisans cards and pledge efforts to ensure their monthly income reaches a minimum of 15,000 rupees.
Only 2 crore 32 lakh. This time 10 crore 25 lakhs. That time bank support only 22,000 crore by the bank support. This time 9 lakh crore for the women income generation program. So Meghalaya is one of them.
The state government is moving towards a resolution for the long-pending relocation of Harijan colony settlers, with Deputy Chief Minister Sngaub Halangdhar announcing plans to make decision by the end of November. He noted that preparations are in place and the government is awaiting feedback on certain points, including the possibility of utilizing defence land for the relocation. Recently, the Harijan Panchayat Committee criticized the government for its lack of interest in resolving the issue.
Mainly, you know very well, everything has been prepared. So I think maybe likely we may take a final call maybe by the end of November. We may take. So since there is a request few points, so we are waiting for that. So let us see.
Today, the P.A. Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, developed in partnership with the Meghalaya-based University of Science and Technology and the Government of Meghalaya, celebrated its National Medical Commission (NMC) approval at the USTM Auditorium. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with his Cabinet Minister, Sarojini Sangma, the wife of late P.A. Sangma, and notable figures from the medical field and diplomats from various countries attended the event.
Because they will be getting treatment out here, at a very concessional rate, and even some of them at free medical treatment will be given. So therefore, it's a very important milestone, and in the larger picture of the state government and the state as a whole, having a deficiency of doctors, we are very sure that this will help us to fill some of that gap in terms of the health professionals that we require in large numbers. And once again, I congratulate the USTM and its Chancellor, Mr. Hawk, for this amazing and wonderful milestone that they've achieved.
Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalangdhar announced that the state government plans to construct 40 to 50 kilometers of roads in the city, replacing the abandoned Smart Roads project due to complications. He stated that the PWD department has prepared estimates for nearly all major roads in the area. The government has faced criticism regarding the implementation of the Smart City project.
We are in the process of improving everything. Don't worry, it will fall into place everything. Don't worry. Be patient with us.
So a lot of problems of drainage and
That is the reason.
potholes.
That is the reason. Problem with the smart road. I already informed before, and the pothole the PWD will take care of this now from PWD department, not from smart city. Now they have prepared an estimate to resurface almost all the important roads within the city. We'll get a good road.
Teachers and student leaders of Northeastern Hill University, NEHU, staged a protest by locking down the offices of the Registrar and Deputy Registrar following a contentious academic council meeting. Professors voiced dissatisfaction with the Registrar's qualification and performance, his lack of administrative excellence. Concerns included inadequate qualifications, poor writing skill, and disrespect towards the Vice-Chancellor. The protest underscores significant worries about the registrar's suitability and its potential impact on the university's reputation. The East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association inspected bike and scooty shops at Kitting Road, raising concerns about rented two-wheelers operating without proper documentation. General Secretary A. Kharbani met with the district transport officer to report these businesses, noting that they lack necessary permissions from the transport department. Instead, the shops received permission from the tourism department, prompting dismay among the association. The association plans to meet with the Minister of Tourism to address the issue. In a joint operation by the G branch of BSF Shillong and Riboy Police, 4 Bangladeshi nationals were arrested for illegally entering India through Sylhet Zero Point. Acting on credible intelligence, authorities set up at Barnihat, where they stopped a tourist vehicle driven by Muhammad Ali Hussain from Dhubri, Assam, at around 4:30 p.m. The detained individuals include Muhammad Mintu, 39, Muhammad Runel, 31, Johirul, 29, and Muhammad Bilal, 37, all from various regions in Bangladesh. Seized items included fake documents and 3 mobile phones. A case is being registered at Nongpor Police Station under the appropriate sections. The No Trap Youth Council, or HYC, held a public meeting yesterday in Umsning as part of its campaign against illegal trafficking and drug abuse in the state. Led by HYC President Roy Kupar Sinram, the initiative is part of the Drugs Elimination and Enforcement DREAM program. The HYC has increased its outreach efforts by visiting rural and urban areas, identifying drug traffickers and users within communities. The event drew participation from local women, youth and village leaders, including Umsning Proper B Society Headman Rocky A. Marwen and Umsning Town Dorbar Chairman Rocky Kalla.
Mengidolkan penyelek yang akan dikatma bersyak yung drugs lalu pak. Atungin up, bahadu kajat pendiri barok kawai, kan syamnut, lani kan syam punjat, how new drugs.
The Rad Laban Sports Social and Culture Organization hosted the 21st Meritorious Award ceremonies at the State Central Library, recognizing 256 outstanding students. Laptops were presented to the top performers in 28 categories from South Shillong constituency. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang congratulated the awardees, encouraging them to excel in their studies and bring pride to the state and nation. Local MLAs Anbor Shulai, along with teachers and parents, also attended the event, which included efforts to raise awareness among youth about the dangers of drug abuse.
I extend my sincere gratitude to all the parents and educators who are present here. Your encouragement and belief in these young minds have played a pivotal role in shaping their success.
The District Sports Officer or DSO in Ribhoi District hosted the 3rd District Level Youth Exchange Program focusing on Today's Youth, Tomorrow's Leader to empower local youth held at the District Library. The event featured participants from 4 blocks and local colleges with competitions in traditional dance, singing, poetry, storytelling and public speaking. Chief guest Meryl Bonds AM and DSO Bobby L. Nongbet attended the event, where winners receive awards and select participants were chosen to represent the district and state level events and internationally in Indonesia. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Ngau Bhalang Dhar launched the 4th Meghalaya State League at Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex, joined by top football officials. The tournament kicked off with a match between former champions Hinyao Wasa United and Shillong Lajong. This season features top clubs from local leagues and defending champions Rangdajiat United FC with a new format including quarterfinals and 6 groups. Matches will take place at various venues including newly funded stadiums in Tirsat and Wayajer. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 14.3 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was recorded at 22.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 82%, while in the evening it was 84%. Rainfall was recorded at 0.8 millimeter. Forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at many places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Indian and Chinese troops begin disengagement in eastern Ladakh. Union Minister Giri Raj Singh visits Eri Silk Village to support local weavers. State government to address Harijan colony relocation by November. State government to construct 40 to 50 kilometers of roads in city amid smart city criticism. And Nehu protests, faculty lockdown registrar's office over leadership concerns. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.